Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and today I'm doing an unboxing for you today. This is a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. It is actually not a handbag, although it has satchel-esque qualities. And so I'm going to show you exactly what it is in a moment. I have never ordered an item like this before, but I am a total Dooney and Bourke addict. I love their products, I love their handbags, and I own 4 or 5 Dooney and Bourke handbags and 2 or 3 wallets from that brand, and now I've added this piece to my collection that I'm so excited about. So let's dive in. So here it is. This box just arrived today, and the piece that I got is this particular guy. It is the Cabriolet. You can see that right there. It is the small Captiva Cosmetic or the Getaway Cabriolet makeup case. And I wasn't actually, looking to purchase this particular item necessarily. I was on the website and Dooney and Bourke recently had a sale, and I was thinking, well, I do have the handbags that I want right now, but I would like to take advantage of the sale. Is there anything that I could use? And in my bathroom, I have a bunch of cosmetics in a bunch of different cases, and one of them I'll show you in a moment just isn't working out. And so I got this kind of as a replacement for that. I think ultimately the goal with this piece is to use it as a getaway bag or a getaway cosmetic case for travel. But I'll be honest and say that, I'm not a big traveler these days. That may change in the future. Oh my gosh! Here is the piece. It's so beautiful. Look at that. I got this in the navy color. Oh my gosh, I just got distracted from everything I was saying because I was just so struck by how well made this piece is. My first impressions of it are wow. Now, one thing I worry about with this piece is that it's got this fabric exterior with the leather. So in a place like the bathroom where water can be splashing around and things like that, I worry about the wear on this, but I'm hoping to keep it away from the sink. But, just being able to put some like drier items in here. So there's some plastic here on the top handle, and I got some scissors with me. Last time I did an unboxing, I forgot my scissors. So luckily it worked out, but I definitely wanted to make sure I had that here because Dooney and Bourke, they can put a lot of like plastic on the various parts, which I appreciate for preserving the quality of the piece, but when it comes to unboxing, can make it a little more tedious, right? Okay, so I've got this in there. There's like a couple of threads sticking out. I guess I could cut those. It just looks like threads that were used to sew this. If you see that right there, right? I see a couple of threads there. But otherwise the piece is looking good. And, I did buy it to use it, to kind of, see the wear on it. Now, in terms of measurements, this is 9 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and about 6 inches in depth, right? So it's a good sized piece here. Just gonna remove the plastic here from the zipper pulls. It's a good sized piece. And I love the navy and brown combination with the gold. There on the back, you can see these threads hanging down, which I will cut off. I'm gonna leave them on there just for a little bit as I inspect the piece. So I'm gonna unzip it now and take a look at the inside. What do we have here? Look at that red interior. I love that gorgeous pop of red. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just removing all the stuffing here. And it looks like there is a Dooney and Bourke card where I can register the item, and I will do that. There you go. So you can see it's a decent size in there. And there is one slip pocket in the front right there. I don't know if you can see that. And then you have these straps where you could, insert bottles and things that you want to keep in place. So I can see why this would work well for a getaway piece. But again, if I was going on a getaway, I don't know why. Unless maybe it was a road trip and I could throw this piece in the car. I don't see myself necessarily using it for that. I just wanted it more for everyday use. So going back in here, I'm going to remove these pieces. So they come right out. So easy. There's half of them removed, so you can see the straps in there. And then a couple more. And one little piece there, and voila! There she is. Oh my gosh, I totally love this. I love the feel of the material here. I think overall it's a very well constructed piece. Take a look there at the zipper pull detail. I think that's really, really nice. And the stitching overall looks so good. So why did I purchase this item? What did I want to use it for? So this is the piece, please don't laugh, that I've been keeping in the bathroom. And recently my boyfriend, whom I live with, was saying, you know, that one pouch you have in the bathroom, it keeps falling down and it's always getting in the way. Can you get something else maybe to replace it? And that's where the idea for getting a makeup case started in my head. So let me show you what the piece is. And this, for me, at one point was meant to be a clutch bag, and then I realized that clutches don't really work for me, and then I tried using it as a cosmetic pouch, and it's just really gotten in the way. So here we go. It's this piece. So I'm laughing at myself because I do think that, you know, I love the colors on here, and I do kind of like the style of it. I think it's fun for summer, but you can see how the bathroom water has totally destroyed this tassel here, which used to be this beautiful leather piece. And I only blame myself for this, right? So in here, I keep like cloth to clean your glasses, some scrunchies, some like foundation, powder foundation and blush and things like that in here. And so I just slip in and out of here for like drier items and just it's bric-a-brac. So just keeping this up in the bathroom, you could see the bottom leather too has been totally soiled. It just, you know, is just getting in the way, and it's such a bright item to have in there. We have navy towels and blue is like part of our color scheme in the bathroom. So I think this piece versus this piece is gonna match much better. What do you think? I would love for you to tell me in the comments what you think of this Cabriolet cosmetic pouch versus this pouch for bathroom use. I would be really curious what your thoughts are on that. So let me know if you have an opinion down below. So I'm just gonna quickly transfer some of the items in here. So I have some eyeshadow here from Pacifica, which is a brand I really like. I have a bandana that I use like when I'm doing like mud masks and things. So I'll put that in there. I have a, what do you call this? Eyelash curler. I use this now and again, so I'm going to throw that in here. I have a couple of scrunchies that I like. I have that cloth that I use for wiping my glasses. Actually, there's some stuff in here I'd like to maybe clean out. Like I have this sample size deodorant, which I really don't need in there. And I also have this lip product, which I will throw in there because I do reach for this now and again. So I'm going to throw that. I have this larger hair clip I'll use to tie my hair back when I'm doing my makeup or doing my hair, so put that in there. I have Mineral Fusion, the powder and the bronzer, so I'm going to throw that in there. Another scrunchie. I have some lens wipes. Actually, looking at this now, I feel like I'm going to be able to see what I have much better. Okay, so that's gonna go in there. And then I have this Burt's Bees blush that I bought, which I think is kind of cool. I haven't used it yet, actually, because my bronzer is sort of like a bronzer blush combo. But I'm gonna throw that in there. Here are some Q-tips and a Ziploc, which I don't need in there. And then I have, but I'm just gonna put it in. And then I have like this little hair tie and a few lipsticks, which actually a couple of these are old. I think I'm gonna discard here and not put the lipsticks in here because I don't want them to stain the interior. But if you see that, I've just sort of thrown the items in here. These straps in here I don't really need, but this then would replace this in the bathroom. And I think what's good about it is that it will stay standing up. It's not going to keep falling over like this piece is always getting in the way and doing so. So I'm still going to tinker around with this. I have more space in here, so it might help me eliminate one of my little baskets in the bathroom. And then I can concentrate on using this piece. But I'm going to say first impressions, I think it's beautiful and I'm glad I got it. I'm also glad that it has this handle, so if I need to shift it from room to room, I can do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and mini review today. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me. And I will also link this item down below in the comments. Thanks and have a good week.